Samsung's flagship season is usually exciting, with anticipation building naturally each year. This time, however, that excitement feels noticeably lower. Instead of major shifts or unexpected features, we are looking at a familiar Galaxy S26 lineup that includes the base Galaxy S26, the Galaxy S26 Plus, and the Galaxy S26 Ultra. It is safe, predictable, and comfortable, but not particularly exciting. Behind the scenes, the situation is much more complex. According to a recent report from The Bell, shared from Korea through Sammy Guru, Samsung is facing increasing difficulty in cutting costs as prices of essential components continue to rise. Semiconductors remain the main source of pressure, quietly increasing production expenses and turning pricing decisions into a serious challenge. This issue goes beyond chips alone. Higher component costs, combined with stronger competition, have also pushed labor and marketing expenses higher than in previous years. As a result, Samsung is under growing financial strain, making it harder to set prices that feel reasonable to consumers while still maintaining healthy profit margins. Adding to this uncertainty, the Galaxy S26 series is reportedly facing a slight delay. The announcement is now expected in February, a change believed to be connected to the return of the Galaxy S26 Plus, and ongoing uncertainty around final pricing decisions. At the same time, Samsung is dealing with losses in other areas. Reports indicate that the company is selling its Galaxy Z Fold devices at a loss, a situation it cannot afford to repeat with its main flagship lineup. Unlike experimental foldables, the Galaxy S series is expected to remain consistently profitable, and this reality is making pricing choices even more complicated. Samsung now finds itself in a difficult position. Raising prices could help protect profit margins, but may risk pushing customers away. Keeping prices unchanged could satisfy buyers, but would likely impact profitability. While nothing has been officially confirmed, potential Galaxy S26 buyers should be prepared for a possible price increase. The question is straightforward. Will you choose Samsung's latest flagship, or will you wait for an older model to receive its annual price drop?
The S26 Ultra smartphone has now obtained NBTC certification in Thailand. This certification listing also confirms the device's launch in the specified global market. The Galaxy S26 Ultra, carrying the model number SMS948B DS, has appeared in the NBTC certification database as the international 5G variant, and it supports dual SIM functionality. On the NBTC platform, the device is certified under the certificate number B3889525 with confirmation of support for 2G, 3G, 4G, and 5G network connectivity. As highlighted earlier, this certification officially confirms its launch in Thailand. Looking at earlier developments, the flagship smartphone has already cleared IMDA, 3C, and FCC certifications. In addition, its battery units were previously spotted on the BIS database, suggesting potential launches in Singapore, China, the United States, and India. Regarding its known specifications, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to feature the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy processor, paired with a 5,000 mAh battery. The device is also said to support 60-watt wired fast charging, wireless power transfer, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth, NFC, UWB, and satellite connectivity. In terms of imaging, the smartphone is expected to include a quad rear camera setup consisting of a 200-megapixel main sensor, a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera. On the front, a 12-megapixel camera is also anticipated. Samsung introduced a 60-watt charging adapter a few days ago, which is believed to be designed for the Galaxy S26 flagship lineup. Additionally, the company unveiled its latest Exynos 2600 chipset last week, and it is expected to power other Galaxy S26 series models in select regional markets. This updated timeline, shared by Tipster Phone Art, matches a report from a Korean publication that surfaced last month. Another source suggested there would be no delay to the event, although a January unveiling now appears less probable. Earlier this year, Samsung held its Unpacked event in January, followed by open sales in February. However, the company has reportedly reorganized the Galaxy S26 lineup and adjusted several key specifications at the final stage, which has pushed the schedule back. Despite these changes, Samsung is not expected to raise prices for the Galaxy S26 series. This price stability seems to come at the expense of limited camera upgrades. The adoption of the Exynos 2600 chipset could offset some concerns, especially since the processor was officially announced this week. According to a tweet shared by Anthony, the Galaxy S26 series will introduce new local AI hardware and software designed to strengthen Samsung's lead in mobile AI. The report also states that these upcoming AI features will be exclusive to the Galaxy S26 lineup, meaning older Galaxy devices are unlikely to receive them. This strongly suggests that Samsung is positioning the S26 Ultra as a true AI-focused flagship rather than just a routine generational refresh. As reported by CID, a new US and Canadian Galaxy S26 series update has been spotted on Samsung's test servers. The update is based on One UI 8.5 and carries the build identifier AYLL. Multiple firmware versions for different regional and carrier models have appeared, indicating that Samsung is already deep into internal testing. The appearance of One UI 8.5 at this stage suggests that Samsung is refining the Galaxy S26 Ultra's software experience early, likely to better support its upcoming AI-focused features. Combined with the reported local AI hardware, this points toward a device that prioritizes speed, efficiency, and intelligent on-device processing. Taken together, these leaks paint a clear picture. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is not just about raw specifications. Samsung seems to be building a flagship centered around exclusive AI capabilities, advanced software optimization, and next-generation on-device intelligence. If these reports hold true, the Galaxy S26 Ultra could set a new benchmark for Android smartphones in 2026, with the most expensive model offering direct satellite connectivity for emergency use. That feature, however, appears to be limited to a single regional version. The Galaxy S26 Ultra, carrying the model number SMS9480, has now received approval from China compulsory certification for the Chinese market, and certification documents confirm that this variant includes direct satellite communication. This functionality is expected to let users share messages or location details with local emergency services when no cellular network is available. At this point, it remains unclear whether full emergency calling support is included. A well-known leaker has highlighted how the Galaxy S26 Ultra's charging situation unfolded over time. According to the source, most people had already accepted that 60-watt charging would not happen and believed Samsung would stick with 45-watt charging for the S26 Ultra. Despite this, the leaker continued to stand by the claim that 60-watt support was real. Now, with newer information backing it up, the leaker states that the original claim has been proven correct. They also reiterated that the Galaxy S26 Ultra's specifications regarding 60-watt charging remain unchanged and were never downgraded to 45-watt, reinforcing confidence in earlier leaks. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is widely expected to support 60-watt wired charging, powered by Samsung's new super-fast charging 3 technology. If the rumors hold, it will mark the company's first major charging upgrade in years. A new Samsung charger was silently listed on the company's website. It is called the 60-watt power adapter and carries the model number EPT6010. It has a single universal serial bus Type-C port that offers a maximum power output of 60 watts and can go as low as 5 milliwatts to save power when it is not actively used. A new report from WinFuture has revealed additional early details about the Galaxy S26 series and its accessories. According to their exclusive coverage, Samsung is now preparing to launch the Galaxy S26, Galaxy S26 Plus, and Galaxy S26 Ultra, and a wide range of official accessories is already in development. This confirms Samsung's plan to make magnetic wireless charging a standard feature across the entire Galaxy S26 lineup. According to the latest information shared by the German publication, Samsung is preparing several official accessories for the Galaxy S26 lineup. These include Samsung magnetic carbon case in black for the Galaxy S26 and Galaxy S26 Plus, Samsung clear case transparent for the Galaxy S26, Galaxy S26 Plus, and Galaxy S26 Ultra, Samsung magnetic clear case transparent for the Galaxy S26, Galaxy S26 Plus, and Galaxy S26 Ultra. Samsung dual magnet holder ring for all Galaxy S26 models. Samsung magnetic rugged clear case for the Galaxy S26, Galaxy S26 Plus, and Galaxy S26 Ultra. Samsung magnetic silicone case for the Galaxy S26, Galaxy S26 Plus, and Galaxy S26 Ultra, available in black or gray. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Peace out.